$1,000.
I'm going to get it. I'm going to get it. I'm going to cut this string.
Okay.
All right, ready?
Go. Shake it. Jiggle the cup.
Quarter.
Oh. I guess that's not the winning prize, huh?
Okay, I'm going to go. Better than nothing, right?
Oh!
Oh! Candy. I love Milky Way.
Oh!
Oh!
I lied. You can put it in the coconut and mix it all up.
Pick a good one. Oh,
What's that?
I saw it. I think it's good. I need better scissors. $10! Let's go! Okay, $10.25. That's what we're up to.
All right, so we've got $1,000, some grandma candy, peppermint, an egg, and some more money. Let's
I
go.
followed it up. I know which one it is.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
All right.
I know which one.
You cheated.
No, I didn't cheat. I just used strategy.
Oh, that's why.
Really?
The strategy didn't work.
Dang.
Whoa,
You are cheating!
Yay! Cool it.
grandma candy.
Come on, right there. No, not that. Maybe that one.
This guy right here. What am I gonna do with this?
I'm gonna go for.
What is it?
Penny. A penny for your thoughts. $10.26.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, you've made more money every single time. Not bad.
I mean,
Okay, it's this one. See? I wanted a kiss.
Oh, that was on purpose, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
okay, so we have a mint.
A mint, nothing,
Oh, there's nothing.
or $1,000.
Oh, wow.
High stakes. High stakes. Who's it gonna be?
Hey!
Come on, you're gonna screw me up. All right.
What is
Oh,
it?
oh,
Like,
come on, money. Oh, oh.
wait.
Wait, who's turn is it?
Mints, really? Oh.
All right, there's only 2 left, so let's each cut at the same time.
Okay.
Which one are you picking? This one. No. Okay. All right, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Choose one.
Wait! Oh!